Here is a 100% legal trick to raise your score 100 plus points practically overnight. Hi, my name's Scott Hilton, and I was once in your position. My credit score was 471, and I couldn't get approved for a loan, a car, a house, nothing. A few weeks later, my score suddenly shot up to 749, using a secret technique that I found by accident. A secret that nobody knows about. And I want to share that secret with you right now, so you can do it too. You see, not all that long ago, I was broke. I'd lost my job, and I was living off of credit cards. That put me in a huge amount of debt very quickly. My minimum payments started to add up to more money than my rent. Bill collectors began calling nonstop and even came knocking at my door. They called my friends and family looking for me, like I was a criminal. I had to change my phone number, and I found myself looking over my shoulder in paranoia. Something had to give. Now, I searched the internet for answers. I got desperate and tried every so-called trick I could find, including hiring a credit repair company. Nothing worked. I considered filing for bankruptcy, but I couldn't even afford a bankruptcy lawyer. So I decided to take matters into my own hands. I looked to the law and found the Fair Credit Reporting Act. I read it front to back over and over and over again, and in between thousands upon thousands of words of legal mumbo-jumbo, I found one little secret that changed everything, and I couldn't believe what I had found. If I was correct, I had just found my ticket out of the hell I was living in. A 100% legal loophole that nobody was talking about. I searched everywhere and couldn't find any mention of it. No one had ever seen this before. Why was it not being talked about anywhere? I decided to put my loophole to the test. I had 12 negative accounts on my credit report, adding up to tens of thousands of dollars, charge-offs, late payments, and collections. I used my trick on every single one of them, hoping for the best. A few weeks later, I received 9 letters in the mail, and I was shocked to see that 9 of the 12 items had been completely deleted. It was like they never happened. My credit score went through the roof practically overnight. American Express actually sent me an apology letter and a $1,000 check for my troubles. I felt like I'd hit the jackpot. A few weeks later, the remaining 3 items were also deleted, making my method 100% successful in removing all of my negative accounts. I now had perfect credit. I couldn't believe that me, a regular guy, had just beat the system. At that moment, I knew I needed to share my secret and help others, and now I'd like to share it with you. I hope you understand how powerful this information is. It can literally change your life almost overnight. Nobody knows this stuff, and I think it's in your best interest to take advantage of my loophole right now before any new laws are passed that could close this loophole forever. Look, obviously, I'm not a credit repair professional or an attorney, and I don't like those guys at all. They cost hundreds, even thousands of dollars for minimal results at best, and most of them are scam artists in my opinion. Now, I'm just a guy who got fed up with the system and found a loophole that exposes how to fix your credit quickly and easily. Now, over the past few months, I've showed my friends and family this trick, and they've used it successfully 100% of the time. Now, since revealing my secret online, I've had 12,692 people write in, thanking me for changing their lives. I believe this is going to get national attention very soon. One of the big literary agencies in New York even asked me to sign a book deal when they heard about my method. This is as real as it gets, and you will not find it anywhere else. Whatever your reason is, you made a mistake, fell on hard times, lost your job, you forgot to pay whatever it is. I don't care. I want to help you, and I can. I'm fed up with the U.S. financial system. It's a complete and utter joke, full of hypocritical laws and underhanded practices. The same banks that demand your money are the ones who have either filed for bankruptcy themselves or taken government bailouts. Well, where's your bailout? Where is my bailout? The banks want to punish you. They charge the highest interest rates to the people who cannot afford it the most. They go to colleges and target 18-year-olds who don't have a clue how credit works. They sign people up for loans that they know they aren't capable of paying back. They want you indebted to them forever. Well, screw those guys. I'm going to hit them right where it hurts, and so are you, and there's absolutely nothing they can do about it. Take a look at what I just accomplished a few days ago for my girlfriend. A few weeks ago, her credit score was 588. Now it's over 700. My system is unlike anything that has ever been publicly shared before. I've had large companies offer to buy me out. Others have offered to pay me to keep the system under wraps. I've even been threatened. But I'm not going to cave in to these bullies. I believe that this information needs to be shared, and I want to give it to you right now. Within 24 hours, you can be on your way to a great credit score. Imagine, no more collection agencies calling you, making you feel like a bad person. No more embarrassing letters in the mail. No more being scared to apply for a loan, a credit card, a car, or a house. For whatever reason, out of the millions of websites online, you found your way to mine, and I don't think that it is an accident. You now control your own destiny. But remember, this information is extremely time sensitive. I've heard rumors that Congress may be proposing